Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how I make my winter pedicure. I'll start by prepping my nails. I'll go ahead and push my cuticles back. Afterwards, I will come in with my electric file and file the surface, the sides and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator to get rid of any excess dust or oils on the nail. Next, I'll come in with my gel-based coats. I will give my nails one coat each, then cure it in the UV light for about 60 seconds. So I want to give it a little bit of a body, so I'll get my clear polygel. I'll just come in with a pea amount and shape it up. This will help raise the nails and thicken it up a little bit. Afterwards, I'll cure them for about 60 seconds. I will go ahead and come in with a second coat. I would want to add some color, so I'll come in with my red matte gel and give my nails the first coat. Then I'll go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'll give it the second coat. After they have been cured, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. Just to add some design, I will slide some water decals onto my big toe. I'll go ahead and seal it with a glossy top coat. I'll come in with some cuticle oil. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. My toenails are ready for the winter. I know people like to ignore their toenails during the winter because basically nobody sees them, but I personally like to paint them just because I like seeing them painted. So this is it. Let me know, do you like painting your nails during the winter or you just ignore them? Thanks for watching, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.